Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can delete dashboards inside your Jira site. For example, if you have decided to not use it anymore because you don't need it. So let us dive into it and show you where you can find these dashboards and delete them from your Jira site. So head over to Jira site, log into your account, and guys, here on the left panel, expand the dashboards view. And from here, select your dashboard or click into these three dots. Or alternatively, guys, to get a better overview, click into view all dashboards here. And here inside that list, guys, simply go through it and click into the three dots here to the right on the right hand side, for the given dashboard, and select move to trash. Now I can't delete that one here, unfortunately, because it's the default dashboard that has been created by Jira, and for some reason, I don't know, it can't be deleted, but you can do that for any other dashboard you create within your Jira site. So click into these three dots, click into move trash, and select confirm by clicking into here, move to trash, and project dashboard has been moved to the trash. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got something from it, and we'll see you later on our channel.